welcome to my how-to video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a beat on FL Studio. I'm actually going to be teaching you a specific genre, and that is neo soul. And I don't want to waste any time and bore you with any details, but I just want to tell you some context on how neo soul actually came to be. Nah, I'm playing. I don't got enough time for that. So what I've created here is I've created just, a simple melody, nothing like too crazy going on. Here, I'll show you what it sounds like. So, nothing too crazy, nothing like nothing too complex going on. Now, after I've made the chords for the melody, I actually added a flute to be like in the background, and here I'll show you guys what I mean with that. So yeah, nothing too crazy, but it's subtle, but it really fills out the vibe, and it really it follows it really well. And now, right after I made the flute, I made another little counter melody. I made some plucks and bells to kind of flow along with the melody to give more texture to it. So it really helps to flow a bit more, and I really like how this is sounding. Alright, next we need some soft but very monotone sounding drums, kind of like lo-fi. Yeah, here's just a snippet of the beat. Nothing too crazy. That was the how-to. Some of the stuff did sound a little bit weird, but I think I kind of experimented a little bit. But that's kind of the basis on how to make a melody, some chords, and layer that on top of drums to at least make something functional. Nah, but I will definitely experiment with those type of sounds more, and that's technically how you make a beat in FL Studio type. I don't know, cut the video.